Hello, I'm Megan Edge, and welcome to Workshop Wisdoms. Here I share with you some of the tidbits and nuggets of information and guidance that come out of my courses and my workshops. I hope you enjoy.
And you can use salt as well. Epsom salt is a nice one to use for that. Be careful with when you're using essential oils, though. If you do use essential oils, there are certain ones that you do not want to put directly on your skin.
Yes. Yeah, I wish you had told me that sooner. I took my peppermint oil till everybody was going to the movie. And I tried it at home before I laughed at it because my nose was so plugged. I was putting the peppermint oil in my nose. So I put one in each finger and my nose started running. I couldn't breathe. I was dying. Everybody's going to the movie and I'm at the door. I can't go. I was like, oh my God.
Be careful with peppermint.
Yes, yeah.
Anyhow,
Yeah.
that was not fun, but.
So if you put the peppermint, or cinnamon was my experience, don't put cinnamon oil in your bathtub unless you've put it in a carrier oil first to dilute it. Also patchouli. Yeah, it felt like ant stings everywhere that the cinnamon hit my skin. Yeah, and patchouli is the same thing.
Okay.
So most essential oils, with the exception of lavender, maybe cedar wood, some of the softer oils, you're going to want to make sure you mix it with a vegetable oil or an almond oil or an olive oil before you use it in your bath or use it. Please. Thank you for watching my workshops and my talks. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughs, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I look forward to hearing from you and staying connected. Enjoy this amazing day.